So what you need, guys, is to log in into this website SF2000.co.uk, and you need to download this official firmware if you need the official firmware, or if you already have and you need to be updated, you can take this one. But currently I prefer the old one. Then you need to wait 8 GB to be downloaded here. 8 GB. Okay, after you wait, for me I already downloaded it, I save it here, and then it will come zip file. Unzip it, then your file will be right here. Okay, next you need to go this link, which I'll share in the link below. It's called Win32 Disk Manager. Okay, this one will help you to rewrite the image as an OS to the device. Okay, so for that you need this USB. You need to plug in, make sure it's readable. After it reads, after you download this Win Disk Manager, you need to install it. I already installed it, so for me I'll open it directly. This one, as you can see here, it's already reading. Mine is disk E as a USB flash, and here you need to select the image file. For me, I'll be taking here data frog, which I already saved. Take this latest version. Okay, open, then you select this, then you need to click right, then yes, then again yes, more space required. Oh, this one space is low, so continue now. Okay, then it will start. It's just an example, then later you'll put it in the device, then it will work. I hope you enjoy the video. This how it will work later. To start with the welcome screen, like that. Hope you enjoy the video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.